Today, I'll show you how to change a Google Ads landing page. A landing page is the web page people visit after clicking your ad. In Google Ads, this is controlled by the final URL inside your ad settings. Changing it is useful when you update your website, create a better offer page, or want to send visitors to a more relevant page. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. From the left menu, click Campaigns. Now choose the campaign that contains the ad you want to update. Open the correct ad group. Then click Ads. Find the ad where you want to change the landing page. Click the ad, or click the pencil icon to edit it. Now look for the field called Final URL. Delete the old landing page link and enter the new URL. Make sure the URL starts with HTTPS and opens correctly in your browser. For example, instead of sending users to your homepage, you may want to send them to a specific service page, product page, booking page, or lead form page. Next, check the ad text. Make sure your headlines and descriptions match the new landing page. If your ad talks about a free quote, the landing page should also offer a free quote. If your ad promotes a product, the final URL should take users directly to that product. Now click Save. Google Ads may send the edited ad for review again. While the ad is under review, it may not run immediately. After it is approved, users who click the ad will be sent to the new landing page. Finally, monitor performance after the change. Check clicks, conversions, bounce rate, and cost per conversion to see whether the new landing page works better. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Ads landing page. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.